starting the week off strong. We are back, baby. We're back in action. Just did daycare drop off after 2. There's no baby in the car. This car seat's not in the base. After 2 weeks of no daycare, after like, probably, what was it? Only like 2 weeks of daycare? I don't know. I got used to childcare real quick. I was like, this is amazing. I have routine. I have time. I have the joke's on you. It happens. It's super common. It's gonna happen. Glad we decided to keep her home for an extra few days, even though she was starting to feel better, because it just took her a while to get like close to 100%. It's just like also like that time of year where everything's just like a little like, ugh, you know, like it's currently like freezing, and I was just supposed to check the weather, and then I was like, what if I just checked out my gals on the vlog? So I still don't know what the weather's gonna be like today, but it's like really windy. It looks like shit. So yeah, I kind of had to like figure out what to do with myself again. I haven't been to daycare in 2 weeks, so starting over. She did really good at drop off though. Like I was really nervous that she was like, well, what is going on? Because she hasn't been. It's like she's basically starting over, but she kind of got it. And we're like, at first was like, no, I don't want to go, and then was like, I'll go, and then we all went, yay, and I ran to the car. So hopefully we have a good day today. Fingers crossed. Oh hey, didn't see you there. How's this? Is it good? Great. I'm trying to like switch up where I film, and I tried to go over here because I want you guys to see how cute my little like morning has been. I decided to romanticize my morning. So what I did was cleaned my whole room, lit 2 candles, opened up the window because it was like chilly out this morning. This is all post daycare drop off. We're back, baby. Oh, I already told you that. Got out my iPad, my computer, my phone, and I just spent like 2 hours putting together like literally the best what's in my cart post ever, because you know those are my favorite to make. I just decided that my style hasn't necessarily changed. It just has to adapt to like how I feel in my postpartum body, and not even so much like the body, more so just like the mindset of like being a mom. Like I used to like look for like really cool tops to like wear out at night, and like I just don't like need that anymore. So more so just finding wardrobe staples that fit in with my new lifestyle. So I did that, placed a really good order based off what you'll see in this new collection, and then I'm still deciding on some stuff, so I asked for your guys' help on TikTok and Instagram. So maybe if we're lucky we'll make some more orders, but probably shouldn't. Deciding which book to read. I know I showed you guys these already, but I borrowed them from a friend and I really need to give them back. So I'm gonna at least try to read one before I stress out too much about returning them. Oh, this has made my life so much easier from the supplements I showed you guys the other week. I like just organized them all into this thing by day. So now I don't have to go through all the bottles every single morning, which is honestly like just, it's little things like that just chef's kiss. Got a ton of computer work done. It's already 1 p.m. now, so it's time to get out of the little like dungeon. Even though we romanticized it, I've had Gilmore Girls on in the background the whole time. I haven't really necessarily like looked up at it a ton, but it was nice for the vibes. Let's go see what packages I have downstairs. I didn't mean to start recording because I don't have a box opener, so. Okay. I got another one of these Target cardigans, you know, the one I have in gray. It's just like so stretchy and soft, and I think it's like 20 bucks. And I got it in red because I didn't want to like especially spend a lot on red, like a lot of money on red, because I'm not that adventurous when it comes to color. I don't know what this is. Oh, yay, my girly, Penzi. It's her new recipe journal. I ordered it. I really didn't want it to sell out, and it is the cutest little print with all these horses on it, and it's just like brown neutral. I have her other one in pink, but it's like somewhere with all my other kitchen stuff from the move, and I really wanted a recipe journal of hers, A, because it's cute, but also to do sourdough notes in, because I really like have it all down to a science now and stuff. Absolute perfection. Also a great gift. So new recipe journal. Why is this a box in a box? It's another box. How freaking cute. Oh my god. Little Christmas jammies for the girl. Oh my god, are you kidding me? I'm dead. I'm deceased. And then there's 2. It's one for me and one for Matt. Oh my God, these are like literally perfect. And Posh Peanut stuff is just like so soft and it lasts so much longer than regular pajamas. Oh my God, how cute. And it has a little PP on it. It was honestly way harder than you'd think to find matching family pajamas last year for Christmas. Cause I don't know, I guess I'm picky. So cute, XL, oh my God. Love, and they're just like red, so you can kind of like wear them. We can even whip them back out for Valentine's Day if we wanted to. Obviously, Element, this I'm really excited about. I ordered this blanket. I don't know, something just came over me and I was like, I need it, and I don't. Tezza Lola blankie collab. Oh my God, it's so soft. I haven't had like a soft like faux fur blanket like this in so long. Oh my God, it's delicious. Now we have to do recycling, so fun. Hello. Wednesday, we had a rough morning. The girl's new thing is, you know, she's older now, so she's not like, wah, she's like, rah, and it's so much fun. So we were up from like 5, 8. Obviously left for daycare around 7:30, and she was also up at like 2. So I think she's like, so whatever, she's baby. Babies are gonna baby. Pro tip. So you can't really like get bogged down about it. I had therapy, which was nice. I feel like I honestly was like repeating a lot of the things. It was like good to like talk through it and everything, holding back some tears. So that's when I always know that I'm like feeling a little like more emo than usual. I mean, duh, that sounded like the most illogical fucking thing ever. I was crying, so I could tell I'm a little more emotional. No shit, Sherlock. I don't know. It made sense in my head, okay? But I also noticed that I was like saying all the same shit that I was talking to my friend about. And it's like, I'm literally just like so obsessed with being like a perfect mom. And it's like, literally get a fucking life. Anyway, I haven't been to a Trader Joe's I could not tell you the last time. So I am like, you know what, even though I'm starving, and you should never go to the grocery store starving because you just spend way more money, let's go to fucking Trader Joe's. You have to go to Trader Joe's when it's fall and Christmas because they have everything you could ever want in your life. Also, I feel like the good part about therapy that like, even if you're like venting to your friends and stuff, like once you like vent to your therapist, it's like done. Like you don't have to like overdo it anymore. It's like you got it really off your chest. So between therapy and Trader Joe's, we might have cracked the code for this week. Trader Joe's outfit of the day. So cute, so fun. Okay, little OOTD finish from Trader Joe's. I am wearing these like boot cut sweatpants that I always wear, and then oatmeal. I actually am kind of glad I messed up yet another return and waited too long. And these are definitely more of a summer shoe. No. Things that I do for you guys is crazy. So I feel like just wearing all neutral sweats with like a ballet flat and a cute purse and then just a little bit of jewels just speaks to me on like another level. But I need to stop vlogging with my camera out or my phone outside because it keeps like the lighting keeps getting messed up. Anyway, oh no, I just dropped this. How you know the weather's getting cooler outside? I just dropped my ring. Oh no. Oh, mother. The thing is, it's obviously in the car, it's not lost. Okie dokie. So I'm not a huge bath girly, but I did get a bunch of spray tans because of all the weddings. And when I exfoliated in between, I took a bath with Epsom salt and I actually like quite enjoyed it. Now we don't have, the girl doesn't sit in that like bath contraption anymore. So the bath is actually like available for adult use. So I just went to Target as well. And I got this one, pure Epsom salt, but also Himalayan salt. And then this one is rose, which I love anything rose. It says milk protein helps promote silky smooth skin. So I'm gonna do like a cup of each and then soak so I can scrub all of my self tan off. I love anything that's like habit stacking and like meaningful, you know, like I can't just like sit in a tub to sit in the tub. So the fact that like I'm getting all this goodness soaked into my body and getting rid of my spray tan, it's like a win-win. And then it, like we can pretend that I'm gonna relax, but like how much am I really gonna relax? Like I'm probably gonna sit on my phone or I don't know, but all in all, I'm sure it'll be a little relaxing. Love, love, love Epsom salt, and I'm so excited to try these two new ones and get rid of this nasty tan. Just have to say already, right off the bat, this smells heavenly. I added a few pumps of this body oil, and it's, wow, this is an iconic trio, to say the least. And I would show you my gorgeous bath, but it looks like a child's bath. Peekaboo! Peekaboo. Okay, Matt is downtown tonight and the girl is already asleep. I obviously have my like nighttime little like evening situation that I do every night, but I was like, what if I just like showered as well really quick and do my like hair routine tomorrow? All in all, you're stuck with me. Lit a candle, 7:15. This is around the time that I usually come upstairs. Matt got me some flowers last week, so sweet. So we'll get into this in a sec. I'm also gonna set up another humidifier because we have one over there, but Matt wants one on his side too. If you live in the Midwest, you like know how dry it is. I'm gonna talk like a little quiet. I'm not really a night shower anymore because I just try to take advantage of like someone else watching the girl and jumping in the shower really quick, and then my nights are like just relaxed, but I feel a little gross. She also spilled like yogurt all over me, and we went on a walk after I picked her up from daycare. My grandma just texted me. My grandma's texting me about houses that are on the market, which is like feeling like she wants me to move out. So that's awkward. I'm kidding. So I went to Sephora before I picked up the girl as well. I don't know what the difference between this new Kerastase Gold oil, like I don't know if it's just a packaging difference. This is one of my favorite serums and it's really expensive. And so I decided to get this like little like gift set so that at least I was getting a little bit more bang for my buck because I didn't really want to just buy it by itself. It's this one, and I just think it's like a really unique product because it is like a serum, so it almost like feels like wet when it goes into your hair, but then it like all absorbs. So I really love this, especially for in between washes, like keeping all of my ends really hydrated before I go to bed. So I kind of needed it. And then this is what I mean, like this is like, I think they just changed the packaging, right? It's like the gold serum. This is great for like after you blow dry. So it's like a little travel size. And then I did my like full bath yesterday. I saw this online, I want to try it. It's the Bump Eraser Body Scrub. It's an exfoliant. So I'm gonna go in the shower with that and just like rinse off. It's been getting pretty greasy because I got a Brazilian blowout. So I like to brush it through, and then what I'll do in the shower is like right before I get out, I'm gonna wet it like a little bit because I'm gonna go in with a hair mask. So we'll do a body shower and then we'll do a hair situation. And then I got the Scalp Revival and the Don't Despair super moisture rich conditioner, but that's not till tomorrow. Like, this is a lot of work for after 7 p.m. Being a girl is hard. I know the water's on, but Clear Stem just sent me this new oil. I didn't know they were coming out with a new product, or maybe it's not new. Maybe I just never used it. Obsessed. I forgot I wanted to try this. How chic is this? It's by Kate McLeod or I don't know. It's like all natural soap with like amazing ingredients, and it's like a bar. It smells like actual heaven, and this is its little like travel case, and it's almost like so pretty and so nice that I don't want to use it. That body scrub was so good in the sense of like it felt like rough, like the way it should feel. I forgot to wet my hair a little bit. This I'm obsessed with by Crown Affair because it's a spray. So I've had this forever and I had no idea that you spray it, which I just think is like so much easier. Really like straight line spray, and it's a scalp serum. So I do that. Then it'll sit on there all night. I probably use too much, honestly. And then I'm washing my hair tomorrow. So I wish I would have kind of figured this out a while ago, but we're here now. And then I even go in with this Agent Natura Strengthening Hair Growth Serum. I basically do like one line down the middle and then around the edges. But I only do this like once a week. And you just massage it in. I actually did this last week before Saturday football, and then like did a slick back bun and then showered on Sunday, and it was fabulous. And I actually really love this. You can see how much hair loss I have still from the way my brush looks, but I also like really love this Crown Affair brush for when my hair is dry. And I'm like doing this stuff. For the ends is either the serum or a quick hair mask. So this is the Renewal Mask by Crown Affair. Clearly I just like discovered all of this stuff. I'm not gonna do too much. You have to remember the reason like why I wet my hair, and obviously it makes it like a lot more fragile, so you have to like kind of be careful, but a product is formulated to be like rinsed or like used in the shower. It's like formulated to like go with water. So putting a hair mask on dry hair isn't like as fabulous because you're like missing the water part of the equation. I'll just like let that sit, and then I'll do like a super light twist up onto the top of my head, but I want to rinse this off. So obviously, you know, the holy grail is my clarity serum. I've been doing 4 pumps because I've been breaking out a lot from all the spray tanning and makeup that I've been wearing, which is like literally the only thing that ever really breaks me out. So it's annoying. I need a facial. I need to stop picking up my face, whatever. This I just started using like regularly. It's the Dr. Diamond Medicine, and he's like one of the most iconic celebrity, what is it called? Like, not plastic surgeon, but you know, like facial person. And this product is so cool. It has like plasma and like growth factors and like all this stuff. And I looked it up last night because I wanted to make sure there was no pore clogging ingredients. So I like copy and pasted the ingredients of both of these 2 products. Not a single pore clogging ingredient, which is like really rare, honestly. So I was like, damn, okay, like let's really try this because I want to see if it's worth it. I know a lot of girls are obsessed with it, but it's also so expensive. So I can't just like willy-nilly recommend it. So I'm trying to be like really religious with it. I mean, it feels amazing. And I like wake up with like the softest skin in the world. So it's definitely a good product, but like, is it worth $500? I don't know. An expensive product that is worth it is this, besides the clarity serum, is this Shani Darden eye cream. I feel like it's like the only thing that I've noticed helps with my melasma. Like if I use it like 2 days in a row, it's like the melasma under my eyes is like gone. And obviously like don't quote me on that. I'm not saying it's like gonna erase your melasma, but seriously when I use this I'm like, wait, whoa, what? I noticed in the shower that my skin felt amazing. Like it was so soft. So I think it's from the bath yesterday, exfoliating all the salts and everything. And then I did my holy grail and holy grail. So hyaluronic body oil, Kopari with Necessaire body lotion on top. This is a pretty supreme combo, honestly. And then I got this in the mail too. So I think you're supposed to put it, it's like vitamin C for your body. I think you're supposed to put it where like you like need it more. So I'm gonna put it maybe where I have like freckles and like on my chest and stuff like that. And then we'll go to bed. My camera's downstairs, but oh, I woke up. It's Saturday. I usually don't vlog on the weekends, but we're going to a pumpkin patch. So you're gonna get some iPhone footage. But I think I put something on my eye that I wasn't supposed to, like skincare. And I woke up and it was swollen. It's like really dry and it hurts, but we're gonna put together a pumpkin patch outfit really quick. Jeans and a white tee. Last time I put these on, I felt like they were like too high rise. They're like perfectly straight. I think I'm gonna throw these ref boots on. Okay, we're just gonna do this the right way really quick because I can't figure out which jeans to wear. So these are boot cut. These are boot cut. Oh my God. But I don't know which ones are gonna look the best with these. Okay, I think these are the ones. These are the ones I always talk about. The other ones are really cute. They're super high rise straight, but I don't want them that high rise. And then these look better with like actually boots because hello, they're boot cut. Pardon all the mess, but, and then I think I'm just gonna do a belt and then probably just like a little cardigan, and then it's gonna get like hot later tonight. So, but I think this is definitely the vibe instead of the super high rise straight. And then just in case that was like the worst video ever, here's a worser one.
You got a bow in your hair.
I know, hold this for me. No, okay, okay, okay. Not a great angle, babe. Final look. What about this sweater?
What's wrong with the jean jacket?
There's nothing wrong, is this just cuter or no?
You gotta put it all the way on.
Okay.
I like the belt though. I mean, that just might be better because it's gonna get warm. It's also cute.
It's cute?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like it.
I feel like it's different, you know?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the final look. Super cute. The girl's wearing like the cutest little outfit. Oh my gosh.